Hello and welcome. Today I've got this camper van to show you, the Traveller Voyager Z, which I have been informed won an award in the United Kingdom recently. And I can't tell what it was because it was a viewer who made the comment during a live broadcast. Anyway, so let's come to the back of this vehicle. To start off with, we see a sort of German layout at the back, using the space quite well because we've got storage all the way round. And you may say that this looks a little bit cramped, but it is a camper van, and the objective, of course, is to use the space to the maximum. And here's an example of how that's been used to the maximum. What is this doing there, for example? Well, we'll see that when we get round to it. Down here, look at that. Comes out like that, forms a plate into which can be easily placed the cushion. And so which way does it go around? Probably like that, because there you go. See how easily that worked. Now, if anybody here from Trigano is watching, who makes for example Mobiletta, they could do with a similar solution, which would be far better than the awful one that they've got in their vehicles. Deep storage unit there, and down under the bed down here is a storage unit, and that goes all the way to the back, as you can see by looking through there. We'll see that again from the back. Here's a tower fridge, there you go, what's inside the fridge. And in the kitchen, sink, 2 burners, can't expect any more than that in a camper van. And storage here, and storage here. Admittedly, obviously it's not very deep, but it's not very wide, the vehicle anyway. In fact, there's a good argument for not calling this a camper van but a motorhome, because there's so much been changed from the original vehicle. Double floor, and a lot of the technical infrastructure finds its way into the double floor. In here we've got a shower which one can stand up in, and a fixed sink. There's me in the shower, and look at all this space I've got around me. There's also a thing for a vent, bit of storage here as well. Now, a clever bit is up here. This comes down for the bed, and this comes down like this, very gently, and then this bit here will come out. So I'll show you that. It comes out like that. That is now made an extra bed. Cushion goes up here, you can see it's up there. In fact, oh no, I'll leave that one there. That's how the bed is. But one rather clever thing here, and I'm going to demonstrate this right now, is that I can sit down here. I'm going to put the camera around. I'm sitting upright under the bed. This is, I think, just the only vehicle where this is possible. I can't think of anything off the top of my head now. Something hit me. As soon as I finish filming this, I'll think, well, I know there's another one there. But that, look, I'm really, there's a lot of space up here. So that is a really positive thing. I can close the bed from here. Almost. I'll have to come out and do that, I think, and turn the camera around. Easily went back. Let's push it back up. In earlier versions, they used the key that you get with or the trains used to have in the. Oh, so have I locked that? No, I haven't. I'm trying to lock it. Oh, I'll leave it there for the moment. I think I need 2 hands. Table down here, which is relatively large for a vehicle of this type. You can see this one is on a Peugeot basis, and it's a manual gearbox. Storage, as you'd expect, under the kitchen. And note, it's got proper walls to the drawers. Here we've got a fly screen integrated with a brush at the end. And I didn't give you the price, there it is, 94,000 plus. Here we have the boot to the vehicle. Now, when I look at it from this angle, you can say, well, it's not really a camper van any longer. That is really more of a motorhome. Let's open this up here and demonstrate why. So, not many camper vans have this type of rear. You can see the boilers down there. You can see under the boiler we've got the water. We've got cabinets all the way around. There's your gas, and as I mentioned earlier, you can see through there is a door which leads into the habitation area. So if it were left open, if there's anything particularly long, I can't think anything would be that long, but you might be carrying some scaffolding or something around with you, and then it can stick through there. Couldn't get a bicycle in there though. Bicycles would have to go onto the back. So that is a particularly nice vehicle. But I'm going to show you this thing here, which has been introduced, and that is the Falcon on the MAN basis, 145,000. So it's significantly, not MAN, sorry, it's a VW basis. Sorry, take that back. This, I think this is totally different. I mean, it's really super attractive as a vehicle. That absolutely, it's a work of art. But they said that this was for people full-timing. This is not a full-time vehicle, and the reason not a full-time vehicle is because it has a complete lack of storage. Not a complete lack of storage, but it certainly wouldn't be enough to keep yourself going. No bench here, because the bench is a couch, a long one, which converts into a bed. Table down there. Here we have, I think this is gas induction, I was told. Very good, well, not a bad sink. It could be a bit low, but then again, there's, there's not enough really much room, but it's deep, and it's sort of an effective, and also the tap really looks good as well. Here, the fridge, Vitry Frigo fridge, small fridge, and cabinets, which themselves, bear in mind, it's built into a wall of an already thin vehicle, so there's not a huge amount of space to be actually used. Now, what is really impressive is back here, and this is the toilet, the wet room, the shower, whatever, and it's got one of these toilets. It's a Classana toilet, or this one. It wouldn't normally look like this. You can see the electronics that go in it, but you can't see the what it should look like. I've done a video on the Classana. I did it in Dusseldorf in 2021. This door closes easily, and it looks, if I look up there, it looks as though it's really high. It isn't. That's the roof. As I'm in here, it looks really high. It mightn't look very as though that way in the video. Here we've got the sink, and here we've got some storage for some cosmetics, etc. Here we've got, there you go, some more storage space. And here, now the other day I was thinking, as I was filming a Mobil Vetta, I was thinking, who's got the best washrooms around? I'm going to give this the award for the best washroom. The washroom is absolutely outstanding. There's the view down from the washroom, so you can stand in the shower and admire this room, this view before you get out of the vehicle. Let's padded walls in here, and let's come out and going around to the back. I'll show you the rear end of the vehicle. Matte black, which one of my favorite colors. Well, it depends on what for, of course. I mean, favorite color. It looks nice in the vehicle. There you go. And this has been packed with skiing equipment. This might be good for skiing. I don't know. I don't ski myself. I suppose you have to get your clothes dry. Anyway, somebody knows about skiing. I think it's a great vehicle for the weekend. It wouldn't be suitable, though. It is not a long-term vehicle as they're marketing it. The first one is, I think. Here, we'll have a look at this 2X Explorer on the Boxer. This thing here is going to cost 89,000, and what we've got here is an open vehicle. Okay, there's more and more people doing this, and when I thought of doing this in my van, I'm certain that I was the first one to do. Well, maybe I wasn't the first one that thought of it, but I didn't get the idea from anything else. So that's only suitable for one seat, that position, particularly as there's only two of us in the, well, plus the dog. Anyway, I've just knocked something then. Oh, here it is. No, it's on it. I touched the lights. This is a frequent problem I've noticed when I get into vans. I turn everything off. Right, got a huge amount of space down there. Side bed. Now the toilet itself, the wet room it's thin, but it does the job. There you go. Does the job, wouldn't you say? And open this up. Oh, doesn't that look nice? Yeah. Brilliant washroom. I mean, it's not as good as the other one. This is a wonderful washroom, but because the other one is so wonderful, it cannot really. That's the problem doing comparisons. There's not a lot of room in there. I do appreciate that, but it is pretty good. Right, so we've got the all-round cabinets, which I think looks quite effective in my opinion. And up here, I want to demonstrate how much storage. Not a huge amount of storage again. Now, I think this is more for people maybe not be so active or something like that. Bed is quite easy to get into. The storage under the bed, lot of space here. So with this bar thing, I don't know what to call these things. There you go. Nothing unusual about that. This is something you find in all camper vans. Proper drawers with sides to them. Down here we've got there you go, storage down there, and that there, and there. I like these pull-out things. So it's a nice van, full mirror here, so you can admire your world where you're looking before you go out on the campsite. And space is the name of the game on this one. Oh, look at this, quite deep as well. And there's something to hang your coat on. So this first one, the Voyager Z, that would be my first choice because of the storage capability. Between this one and the other one, I'm a bit stuck. I don't know which one to choose. Right, good. So thanks for watching. I hope you found that of interest. I upload every day at 21:15. This is the largest site on YouTube for motorhomes, camper vans, and the like. So if you're interested in that type of thing, then please subscribe. Upload every day at 21:15 Central European time, which is where I am. These vehicles are manufactured just outside Warsaw in Poland, and that's where I am, although I'm currently not living in Warsaw, but I spend most of my time in Poland. So thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Stuttgart, Germany.